Hey COMM students, I'm Dr. Sloan, your professor for COMM3300, which is editing for special topics. We have 5 weeks together to learn 3 important skills, and we'll do that using 2 books and a lot of supplemental readings posted to the course. So as I mentioned, we will be in this class for 5 weeks. You know that means it's really important that you complete all of the assignments every week and that you work to do that on time. So timely submission and quality work are how you will earn attendance points in this class. So make sure that you know everything that needs to be completed every week and that you are doing all of that stuff and submitting it on time. As I mentioned, we will discover or explore 3 topics or develop 3 unique skills in this class. The first and foremost is editing. So you will become better writers through this class. We will address topics and write about things, and then we will return to papers that you wrote, and you will edit those papers. I will edit those papers, and you'll even have an opportunity to have a classmate edit some of your work. And I think that's one of the ways that we really enhance our ability to write, is that we return to it and say, here's how I could write this sentence better, here's how I could improve my grammar, here's how I could write more concisely. The second skill that we'll learn in this class is negotiation. And so for the first 2 weeks of class, we will look at negotiation tactics and become better negotiators personally. So if I need to go buy a new car, or I need to negotiate with my husband for a more expensive restaurant for our date night, I can do that. And of course, we negotiate at work for things like salary and benefits and new positions. And so it's very important that we negotiate calmly and expertly so that we gain the things that we want. In the last 3 weeks of COMM3300, we'll study marketing. So you will become a marketer of yourself personally and, of course, use marketing skills professionally. As we study negotiation in weeks 1 and 2 and marketing in weeks 3, 4, and 5, we will always be studying editing. So we will use this book, A Writer's Reference, and the 7th edition, every week in this class, and this is the book you were supposed to purchase that King eCampus told you to buy. The second book that we will use in this class is Edit Yourself, a manual for everyone who works with words. And if you don't have this book, that's okay. This book is fully available online. All you have to do is just click on this link, and it will take you to every word that's printed in this book is actually located here on this page, and you just click through each one, and instead of reading page by page, you read web page by web page. So it's not long, it's just really helpful information, and you can actually see what the improved writing habits look like as you go through this Edit Yourself text. I'll quickly flip through 1 module's worth of content so we kind of see what a class looks like and feels like each week. I think it is loading for me. So this is week 1 of COMM3300, and I actually wrote this course, so if you have questions about any of the assignments or what my expectations will be, please feel free to email me. And if you see any errors, so if I wrote one thing is due at this point and it's really due at this point, or if there's a typo somewhere, please feel free to let me know that by entering what the mistake is here on the Spot the Mistake discussion board. So within each module, there's a quick explanation of what we'll be studying that week, and then each bullet point in the student responsibilities section tells you what you need to accomplish or complete for that week. So this week, the first thing you'll do is, of course, complete your CEA, or basically the agreement that gives you access to the class. So if you are in module 1 with me, then I know that you've completed your CEA. So go ahead and post to the introduction board and tell us who you are, and then maybe meet a couple of your peers. And then you will begin reading. So you will read this entire book in module 1, and we'll talk about it, and you'll have a quiz here. And then you'll actually have some readings about negotiation that are posted to the class. You'll complete a quiz, you have 2 discussion questions, and you'll write your first paper this week. It's important that you submit that on time because next week's assignments depend on week 1 assignments. Again, I've tried to be really clear in developing this course. You know, for every assignment, what the expectations are and what the questions are. So for your discussion board to earn points, you need to do these things and you need to address these ideas. Similarly, for any assignment that's actually posted within the course, there's always a rubric that includes a full explanation of what the assignment should entail. So be sure that you've read those assignment explanations before beginning your work on any assignment or paper in this class. So that's a quick overview of COMM3300. I'm really looking forward to getting to know you guys and especially getting to see how you improve your editing and writing skills through COMM3300. Again, email me if you have questions. Otherwise, welcome to the class, and I'm looking forward to week 1.